Hi. Well, I've just had another area of a thought process, really, after watching some um, resonance videos. Now, these are videos which are basically for music, and the thing that I'm thinking of right now is a very shell of a spacecraft that has a magnetic field around it, but also uses resonance to able to travel through open space. Now, to resonate at a certain frequency is definitely a form of geometry creation. So, if you can create a geometrical three-dimensional shape purely by resonance through the shell of a ship under minimal thrust in space, there is absolutely no reason why, under a plotted course from A to B, that you wouldn't be able to travel through through an opening in space that has very little or no resistance to the craft. Now, space does hold a slight resistance, um, but it would create a plotted course from A to B under full-blown resonance of minimal thrust. And if there's low resistance, then you should be able to travel the whole course of the plotted line to its destination. Which also means that in a computer, there is no reasons why you shouldn't be able to magnetize the shell of a ship and then use resonance to be able to open a small opening in space that would then traverse you very quickly because of the lack of resistance, even though space itself seems to have very little resistance in it already. So you should be able to traverse the whole length of the course and end up at plotted B at a faster time period by manipulating the open space around a ship to create an opening that isn't a tunnel. It's not an opening of a tunnel that goes from A to B. It's an opening which is around the ship itself, like a bubble. And this bubble is on a plotted course under minimal thrust with low or no resistance. It also means that you could plot a trajectory and also plot the relevant amount of thrust to reach your destination under a quicker time travel period. Let's say, for instance, the theory goes like this. You resonate open space to build a bubble of resonated space of an opening which holds no resistance. You traverse that from A to B very quickly under minimal thrust because of the time in the confinement of the space around the ship. So in other words, if you resonate, create a bubble of open space geometry around the ship, you should be able to traverse the compressed time space all the way to your destination. So we're just gonna end it there. It's just something I've been looking at, something I've been thinking on, which is wormhole travel and how to get from A to B in space quicker than you would do normally. So we'll leave that one there for the time being.